Section 7.5, Right Triangles and Inverse Trigonometric Functions. In this section, we are going to discuss inverse trigonometric functions. We're going to look at inverse cosine, inverse sine, and inverse tangent, and look to see how we could do some application problems involving each of these. So, to start, what happens if you know all the sides of a right triangle, but you don't know the two non-right angle measures? How could we find those angle measures? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to use inverse trigonometric functions. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually think of the angle measure as kind of a present. We don't know what it is right now. When you take the sine, cosine, or tangent of that angle, it's going to be similar to kind of wrapping your present, per se. The inverse trig function gives you the ability to unwrap the present and find the value of the angle in question. So we're going backwards here. So normally when we take sine, cosine, or tangent, we're finding what we may think of as a point on the unit circle. Well, now what's going to happen is we're going to know one of the coordinates, for example, of the point on the unit circle, and we want to know what the angle was that it came from. Sometimes I even think of it as a little bit like Jeopardy. We know the answer, and now we're looking for the question.